Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Let's talk about those pesky bunions. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, combine the turmeric powder and ginger with coconut oil. Stir to create a thick paste. If you make a larger batch, you can store the paste in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. It's important to know that when the paste starts going bad, it begins to separate. How to use: ensure before applying that you test a small area of skin to ensure no allergic reaction. Apply the paste directly on the bunion. Cover with a clean cloth or a bandage to keep the paste in place. Turmeric may stain fabric, so use something that you're not too fond of keeping. Leave the paste on for up to 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off with warm water. You can apply this paste once daily, preferably before bed, to allow the area to rest while the ingredients do the work. How it works: turmeric contains curcumin, which is the compound that helps reduce cytokine levels. Cytokines are proteins that signal the inflammatory process to erupt. Therefore, with less of them, there is less inflammation. Ginger contains gingerols that act by inhibiting the production of inflammatory compounds in the body, much the same way as turmeric does. The coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has anti-inflammatory effects, as well as being a good moisturizer with soothing properties. All of these together can help aid in the pain associated with bunions by reducing inflammation, which restricts the nerves and irritates them, causing pain. This remedy will not take away bunions, as it does not have the ability to change the structure of bones, but it will relieve the pain. Like, share, follow, and subscribe to see new content.